Osteoporosis, the disease affecting almost everyone after a certain age, except you after watching this video. Today, we will learn about it from scratch. Let's go. What is osteoporosis? The word is derived from Latin language and means porous bones. It is a medical condition that will make the bones brittle and weak. There are honeycomb-like small hollow spaces in the bone. Osteoporosis will increase them in size, making the bone thin. Also, the outside of the bone will become weak. So, the bone density, explained later in the video, decreases. Bones will become so weak that it can break without any major trauma, as in case of sneezing, jumping or coughing. Main bones that get affected are vertebra, wrist and hip bones. Why does this happen? To understand it, let's learn about the basics of bone. Bone is a very dynamic hard tissue, means absorption and deposition of it, also called remodeling, is constantly going on in the body. Bone absorption is carried out by the cells called osteoclast, and deposition is the function of osteoblast. In normal bone, both cells work equally, and in young age, osteoblastic activity is more. But in osteoporosis, osteoclasts will be hyperactive and will resorb the bone more than what osteoblast can deposit. Cause of osteoporosis: hormonal factor, lower sex hormones, that is estrogen in women and testosterone in males, which normally functions to deposit the bone. Evidence: women taking estrogen-blocking drugs for breast cancer and men taking testosterone-blocking drugs for prostate cancer are found to be affected by osteoporosis. Overactive thyroid and parathyroid can also cause osteoporosis. Severe restriction in eating, less calcium in diet and stomach removal surgery will result in less calcium availability in the body and osteoporosis. Sedentary lifestyle, steroid usage, tobacco and alcohol overconsumption will result in osteoporosis. Major calcium regulators in the body. 1. Parathormone, the hormone secreted from parathyroid gland, is the main calcium regulator. It gets released in response to lower blood calcium, and it will act to raise the calcium in blood by taking the calcium out from bone with the help of osteoclast. 2. Calcitonin, the thyroid hormone, will signal the osteoclast to slow down their function, which will decrease the level of calcium in the blood. 3. Vitamin D will help the body effectively absorb the calcium. Risk factors for osteoporosis. 1. Age. Our body achieves peak bone mass at the age of 20 and will start losing it after 30. So, if you are an aged person, you are at risk of developing osteoporosis. Sorry, I can't help, even if I'm doctor. 2. Being Asian or Caucasian. 3. Being female. 4. Poor nutrition. 5. Lower body weight. 6. Smoking. 7. Family history of osteoporosis. Types of osteoporosis. A. Menopausal osteoporosis. Estrogen, the bone-protecting hormone, drops when a woman reaches menopause. That will lead to bone loss. B. Senile osteoporosis, another name for age-related osteoporosis. In this also, women are at higher risk than men because they have less bone mass in the body even at an early age. Bone density. Amount of calcium and other minerals in a segment of a bone is measured in bone density. Higher the mineral content, higher the density. Method used to measure bone density is called dual energy X-ray absorptiometry (DEXA) scan. The reading is obtained in T-score. 1 or above is called normal bone, and the score below 2.5 is defined as osteoporosis. Prevention of osteoporosis. Quit smoking. Perform weight-bearing exercises. Get a recommended amount of vitamin D and calcium. Exercise for osteoporosis. Weight-bearing exercises should be performed with either your feet or your arms fixed to the ground or another surface. Examples include climbing stairs, resistance training, such as leg presses, squats or push-ups, weight training such as working with resistance bands, dumbbells, resistance exercise machines. These exercises help because they cause your muscles to push and pull against your bones. This action tells your body to form new bone tissue, which strengthens your bones. Treatment of osteoporosis. The main group of drugs used to treat osteoporosis are called bisphosphonates. They work by inhibiting osteoclastic resorption. Few names of those drugs are alendronate, ibandronate, zoledronate. Also, hormone therapy, that is medications of estrogen in women and testosterone in man, is used to reverse or decrease the severity of osteoporosis. That's all about osteoporosis. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more informative videos like this one.